Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arman. So today in this video we're going to learn another topic of law of tort, and this is a very small topic, and I think this is going to be the shortest video in my channel. So today's topic is passing off. Okay, so passing off is another kind of tort. Okay, passing off is of recent origin. Okay, so what is passing off? So passing off is a thing like when a person use a method to sell his good on the name of other, so that is a passing off. Okay, so there is a sentence you will find in the book like quote and unquote. So quote, no man can have any right to represent his goods as the goods of the someone else. Okay, so which means what? Like no man has a right. Okay, nobody has got the right to represent his good. Okay, suppose I am a company. Okay, I am a company and I produce a pen. Okay, so I do not have, and there is another company called Parker. Okay, there is another company called Parker. The Parker also makes a pen. Okay, so we have the same business. Okay, but in quality there is a difference. Okay, and he has got so many customers, and in his comparison I do not have that much of orders. Okay, so in that case, like, so me here, okay, so this is okay, no man can have any right, so I do not have any right to represent my good. Okay, his good here means my good, my pen. Okay, my pen as the like goods of the someone else, as the pen of Parker. Okay, so that's what the passing off means. Okay, let's take another example. After that example it will be very easy for you to understand what is the passing off is. There is a company, okay, who produces milk. So there is a famous company, Amul, right? Amul produces milk, so they sell various dairy products. Okay, so I am a new company in the market, and I do not have the that much of I do not have that much of his strength to compete with him. Okay, and every people buying the goods of Amul instead of mine. So just because I want to sell my goods, so I cannot exercise the method. Okay, let's suppose this is the milk. Okay, this is the milk box, and this is how the Amul is written. Okay, on the back of the box. Okay, so I am another company and I have done the same. Okay, same packaging. I have done the same packaging, and I have also written Amul. Okay, so there is a difference. So I have written double O, and the original Amul is AMUL. Okay, so what will happen generally, in certain situations the customer get confused. And instead of buying this Amul, customer buys this one. Okay, so that means what? So I am exercising a method to sell my good, okay, on the another's name. So this is what is doing, and this is not allowed. Like it is not necessary that the Amul has to suffer loss because of this person. Okay, it is not necessary. Like, so the rule what it wanted to do is that, like, the rule wanted to protect the goodwill of the goodwill of the defendant. Okay, goodwill of the defendant. So this is the main motive, okay, to protect the goodwill of the defendant, and it is not necessary it is not necessary the defendant should suffer loss out of that. Okay, So this is the main principle, okay? When when a person exercises or represents his good as the good of another person to sell out his good to get the monetary benefit, so that is not allowed. That is called passing off, okay? That is called passing off. That kind of tort will be called passing off, okay? And it is not necessary by doing that act by the defendant. It's plaintiff, okay. So by doing that, and it is not necessary that the plaintiff has to suffer certain loss out of that, okay? Just like, and it is not necessary, and regardless of the intention, okay? Like another important thing is that like the defendant cannot take the plea of no ill intention, okay? So the defendant cannot say that it was unintentional, that is completely irrelevant in this case. If I do that, that means I will be liable for that, okay? And it is not necessary that the plaintiff has to suffer anything. Plaintiff has to suffer any wrong, okay? And the third, the main motive behind this rule is that it wanted to protect the goodwill of the plaintiff. So that's what the passing off is. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to clarify that, okay? So this is a very small topic, and I think it is clear to you now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.